It's been called one of the most amazing displays of canine athleticism. And at the annual Purina Dog Chow Incredible Dog Challenge, it not only gives these pups a chance to showcase their skills, but also show the bond between people and their pets. Big dogs, little dogs, old and young dogs, even hot dogs were there. And if your dog can't even fetch a stick, they were still invited to this annual festival that included ski joring, dog sled racing, freestyle frisbee demos, and mini mushing, where local elementary kids entered a contest in order to mush their own dog sled. Tell us how you got picked to do this.
I wrote a paper of how I helped an animal before.
Katie not only won the writing contest, she also took home the medal for first place. And even though these dogs may seem extraordinary, they're actually pretty ordinary.
That is right. Once again, these are just everyday, ordinary dogs that are trained to do these incredible events. And a lot of the dogs out here have been adopted through various animal shelters, and we like to travel around to educate folks on the importance of pet adoption.
And with proper nutrition, exercise, and plenty of training, some of these pups have turned pro. Well, we caught up with last year's winner, Christy Goodman from Evergreen, and her dog, Ryder. And how much time do you spend training your dogs?
Well, during the summer, probably 24 hours a week. We do a lot of running, a lot of jumping once they're warmed up, a lot of swimming, just generally active stuff to keep them in shape.
Now, when you're training your dogs, how do you work through the progression of new tricks?
Well, you start out just rolling it on the ground and teaching the dog to track the frisbee. That's a skill that they have to learn. Once they can track it and bring it back to you, you can start holding it up in the air and letting them jump for it. And then once they'll jump for it out of your hand, you can do real short tosses and gradually lengthen them. And then you have a frisbee dog.
And now with the help of Lou, we're going to teach you just how easy it is to teach your dog new tricks. For TV8 and RSN, I'm Trisha Swenson.
Big wave, big wave, big wave.